What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be working on this Super Bee. Yes, it's the one, the same Super Bee. And the guy that owns the car is here today, so he's going to help me work on the Super Bee. We're actually modding the car today. We got this one thing all mocked up on the back. We got this trick spoiler. Got her all mocked up there and positioned. I don't like it, but he likes it all right. So yeah, we're gonna be putting a mod on there, and I guess we can show you what the mod is. So we'll walk over here. We got the modification in the back of the backup plan. That's right, it's a carbon fiber hood. Ain't that cool? But yep, we're putting that hood on today, so we're gonna get started, and I guess we're gonna take the old hood off. So here we go. Okay, YouTube, we got a small interruption here. Working on the little Super Bee here, and then in the process of working on the little Super Bee, this pulls up. I'm gonna walk around your car. The guy that owns the Super Bee, this car is a friend of his. They just bought it. A little RT. Man, this thing is pretty. Damn it, y'all.
Look, that thing bad. That all green. It's so. Hey, I was like, I seen the pictures. I was like, that shit ugly. Hey, you put it. I was like, I ain't know what color you was talking about. Hey, hold on.
Look at that.
Sir. This gotta go.
It's only a 5.7. Oh man, I'm so disappointed. But it's still a Hemi.
I'm not gonna do shit.
Look at that Hemi. Oh, you gotta let the mad scientist get a hold of this. Man.
Don't worry about it. Just know I'll be out here doing something.
I'm digging it.
This shit look naked.
Are you gonna put your pants on?
Well, you witnessed it. That's how easy it is to put a carbon fiber hood on an SRT8. Needs a little bit of adjustment for fitment, but other than that, it looks pretty good. I still don't like it, but it'll be fine. Well, thank you for watching. If you like my attitude, click like and subscribe, ring the bell, you'll get notifications. Have fun.